jacket on? Don't worry. Today Ruby will show you how to repair a torn hurt at collar area so you can keep using it and have it looking like a new again. First, Ruby carefully examine the tear and select the suitable thread and needle to match the material and color of the jacket. Then Ruby stitches the tear along the natural seam line to ensure everything stays in place. Now customer pick up.
You like it?
Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness!
You like it?
Yes.
Yeah. You like it, right?
I love it.
Yeah.
You did excellent. Ruby saved my life.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
Okay, turn in the back, okay? It looks pretty now. Yes.
It's just like new.
Yes. Okay.
Now your jacket is restored and ready for the cool day
Don't
ahead.
let your
favorite
jacket
dust in the closet. Bring them to Ruby Alteration for fast and professional Visit us today.
You like it?
Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness!
You like it?
Yes.
Yeah. You like it, right?
I love it.
Yeah.
You did excellent. Ruby saved my life.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so
Yeah, you're
much.
welcome. Okay, turn in the back, okay? It looks pretty now. Yes.
It's just like new.
Yes. Okay.